هلا طبعا كمبيوتر هو تشوف هذا لا كمبيوتر and laptop repair and upgrading or solution تصليح وصيانة كمبيوتر معناها ريتان أو ترسل you can send your message or anything if you want أي حاجة فردين وتصليح ولا حاجات معناها ترسل في العنوان هذا كمبيوتر and the laptop repair and upgrade or solution تصليح وصيانة كمبيوتر. So ده كلام this is my email. If you send direct this is my email I get it at the same time. أنا أي حاجة معناها تصليح وحاجة وحاجات أي حاجة عاوزين معناها ترسل في إلى إيميل حقي ده كلامه 131 at googlemail.com فتجي على طول هنا وانتم ترسلوا في الإيميل. وأخيرا the last final is thank you for watching. شكرا على مشاهدتكم واستماعكم. نشوفك. باي باي. Hello, hi. Today is talking about we can talk about how you can test power adapter charge for laptop. There is many adapter charge for laptop. Some is working, some is not working. Some is sometimes power watt very high, sometimes watt very low, and the adapter becomes overheating. At the same time it can stop working directly, maybe burn inside the box, small box charge. So we know which one is working, which one is not working. Step by step, for example, we can solve this problem. This is important for laptop. كذا اللي هو charge اللي هو كيف تقدر معناها تست تعمل معناها your power adapter اللي هو charge اللي هو تما لابتوبه لابتوب charge كنا معناها اللي هو باور كاي حي اللي هو إلكتريك كاي حي. و بعد مرات لأنه باور زيادة يكي معناها ولتي باور 90 وات كنتي مثلا باور 90 120 وتجد is very high low up تجد نفس الشيء معناها لازم نفس المقياس كيتو كل تاني معناها باور هاي كينكو معناها اوفر هيتنج يكي معناها بس بتعرف تاني ممكن تخسري في نفس الوقت اللي هو باور ادابت تشارج لابتوب اشتغل مياني يشتغلن كاشتغلوا ما جينا هنعرفو كنو لازم تست ابنو كنو يعني تست ابنو نجده لازم اديها فاندا هاي اللي هو مالتي متر فاندا مالتي متر هسه بنستخدمه في ايش DC volt and the AC volt. Maybe we need also ampere, the ampere, yeah. If ampere is high is okay, but the power is high is cause so become maybe damaged. Also sometimes you say your laptop is 19 volt, no more. So you must look 19 volt and 90 watt, 3.3 ampere. Watt you can put it more, but volt not. Each volt you have 19 volt and you replace it 1930. That means you lose your adapter charge. Maybe laptop also sometimes burn. So be carefully now. Okay, we want to measure here too. We have here two, here two charge. one charge here, other charge here. One is for Toshiba, another is a HP laptop, Toshiba laptop. This is here. هذا الناقص هذا والثاني برضو هناك. So now what we can do is, in this demonstration, you can use here ampere meter. Again, ampere meter important now. We need it. Without this one we don't know what happened for adapter or power adapter charge for. So most of it now, look here, you can't put here because not live. Now we put mostly here DC direct current. So you have to put here, we have how much we want to measure. We want to measure 19. So 19 cannot put 20, only one different. So you put instead 200. الله هيدا معناها انه كادو نقص لنا اللي هو دي سي كن اي سي مكي. So تلها ننكو اي سي كن تلها ننكو دي سي كن تاكن فرنا. بقى نانود لنا 19 كن 19 فولت كن لنا 19 هاي ننكو ممكن معناها ممكن تتحرر او كمان ما يشتغل يعني. عشان كده 19 20 25 فولت لازم اكستر لها هنا 200 لهنا 200 فولت. هذا معناها يقاسوا كني محرر معنا security now. You can save this equipment or multimeter هذا. So بطريقة هذه نقدر نقيسها. اوكي نحن عملنا 200. So how we can use is come here. We don't know which one is working, which one not working. So you must put, when you put like this, the important thing is here. Sorry. Here, you see here, inside here, side. This is female. So jack coming here. Here is female. Here is case. So you must have be careful. تدسي التايقدا لازم موجب يكون. Must be here inside positive. Always positive. Positive is the color is red. We put here red. We put here case overcase. The black here. Here minus. Here plus. تركي plus تركي صار سالب كني تركي موجب كني. الموجب دائما يكون ايش اللي هو احمر والسالب دائما يكون ايش اسود. لازم تعرفها يعني. نحن اذا غيرنا مثلا تدي هاي ننقل الدعسة هاي ننقل maybe ما يشتغل يعني. عشان كده دائما موجب احمر كنا متارجون معنا موجب اللي هو عساتية كنا دائما موجب عساتية كنا سالب دائما تيكن معنا. So تركي أدك إن كان لنا إلكتريك يعني في الداخل هنا في الخارج returning كن معنا يرجع circulation يعني. So we put here and here another here over chasing كده. Okay, I see you. Here sorry. Okay, this is plus, this is minus here. So now you see the option is not working. Here you see 0 0 0 0. The multimeter is 0. That means the charger is not working. So now we lost one of them. We see another one if working. This is not working. Okay? We take separately test. Okay, this is HP laptop not working. Now Toshiba, we can see Toshiba here, the same, also the same, Toshiba the same, also here, positive, negative, must know, positive, negative, red inside or black outside, you must know, different of this two option. لازم تعرفوا قلتنا أو ليتي كنا يعني سالب كموج وقت تعرفوا قلتا لأنه في مايل في مايل طيب أنا تركه في الداخل حستيكني أجانا اللي هو التيكني معناها دائما في الداخل أحمر وفي الخارج اللي هو أسود هو. Okay, we see it's working or not here and here. Now look here, you see it's working, it's correct. Succeed. Now that means we lost one, but we get one back live. This is perfect, wonderful, is working. 19.2. we have put it here 200. We can't put 200 because 19. Otherwise you must be careful. If the volt is 19, we must put 19, maybe 19 and a half, okay, 18 and a half, okay, but not more. If you put 1930, that means your laptop burn, multimeter burn, you lose all. So be carefully. When you have 20 or 19 volt, must be measure, added more, put in 200. This is 600 is too much because we have option here. This millimeter is more dangerous here because no millimeter we have only 20 or 19 volts. So from 20 to 600. So this means every hour power adapter charge DC must measure DC, must be careful, DC, not AC. AC is live part, DC is direct current. So the circulation is converted from alternative current to direct current. So this is we use for laptop, PC, TV, radio, everything we can use this. Now it's succeed, we win one. That means we don't need more because we have equipment here, multimeter in my pocket. I know which one is working, which are not working. So do it yourself. If I take this one for example, experience to repair a laptop or like that, can take some money, but if you do it yourself, you can't lose money or you can't lose time. You can get more experience, and you get also knowledge at the same time. So this is success. This is what. Okay, thank you. Bye. Shukran.